Mic test.
Mic test.
Test.
Test of the mic.
What? Breathe? Oh, just normally.
My rock. My comfort.
1,000 years later.
Hi
guys!
Thanks for joining us for another video.
Welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. In this video, we're going to be going over the musicality for the next section of the choreography. If you want to know how to do any of these moves, please check out our instructional video on the same section. Otherwise, check out our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get into it. Now let's go over the musicality for this section. So from the end of the last section, we're in our double handhold and the singer is about to say the word before, as in never felt this way before. As he's doing that, we're going to prep our arms a little bit, first to the lead's left, then right, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. And that's it.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green by Ballroom. If you want to check out how to do any of these moves, please check out our instructional video on the same section. Otherwise, check out our earlier videos to get all caught up. I hope to see you there. Bye.
Bye.